Number 1. Taser 10. Earlier this year, the manufacturer introduced the Taser 10, which aims to address the urgency of every moment with its slogan "Every second counts." The primary objective of this device is to reduce gun-related deaths by 50% over a span of 10 years, focusing on encounters between police officers and the public. Equipped with 10 charges, the Taser 10 empowers law enforcement to effectively subdue criminals even from distances of up to 14 meters. These charges travel at an impressive speed of 62 meters per second. To enhance its capabilities, the Taser 10 incorporates special programs, such as VR compatibility, enabling immersive training experiences. Furthermore, it facilitates cloud-based reporting by providing essential data. Another notable addition is the Smart Holster, which automatically activates the attached cameras to capture video evidence as soon as a police officer draws their taser. These advancements contribute to improving law enforcement procedures and accountability. Number 2. ASP, the renowned supplier of law enforcement equipment, has made significant advancements in the field of batons. An impressive example is their telescopic version, known as the ASP Snapshot. These batons have undergone remarkable improvements. Despite a reduction in weight by 45%, they managed to retain 98% of their striking power. This means that even though they are lighter, their effectiveness remains nearly unchanged. For instance, the 41cm baton weighs only 207 grams and can easily fold down to a compact 16 centimeters when not in use. ASP offers customers a wide range of options, with over 60 combinations available in terms of mechanism size, material, and finish. Additionally, laser engraving services are provided for personalization. The pricing of these batons is equally impressive, with costs starting at just $167. ASP's commitment to innovation and quality is clearly demonstrated through the remarkable advancements in their baton technology. Number 3. Spike TONFA. Let's explore a curious weapon with the unusual name of Tonfa to add a touch of exoticism to our compilation. While its precise origin is a subject of debates, China is often mentioned, although Indonesia and Japan also enter the conversation. The Tonfa's prototype can be traced back to the handle of a rice millstone while bearing a resemblance to modern police batons in terms of its appearance. However, some people seek more than the conventional model can offer, leading to the introduction of spiked variations. These spikes, measuring approximately 6 centimeters in length, can be detached if needed. Crafted from 6000 series aluminum alloy, the Spike Tonfa boasts a length of around 56 centimeters and weighs approximately 900 grams. These Tonfas are handmade in the USA, which probably contributes to their price of around $240. Number 4. UMAREX HDX. Here's a remarkable product from one of North America's top manufacturers of air guns and air gun accessories. They cater to a wide range of needs, from paintball enthusiasts to hunters. This rifle is a prime example, as it's well suited for both recreational shooting and home defense. It features a .68 caliber, accommodating various types of ammunition such as paintballs, rubber balls, and pepper balls. The power options include 7.5, 11, and 16 joules. The rifle uses two 12-gram CO2 cartridges to operate, and is conveniently fitted with a pressure indicator. The magazine has a capacity of 16 balls. Optional features include a durable metal barrel, an M-lock system, and Picatinny rails, allowing you to easily attach accessories like flashlights, scopes, and sights. It's priced at around $1,100. Number 5. HDP-50 Compact. In addition to the shotgun mentioned earlier, this company also offers a .50 caliber pistol. It's suited for rubber and pepper balls, but it's important to note that using paintballs can potentially cause damage to its construction. On the other hand, it's much more affordable, coming in at just $120. The primary focus is on self-defense. The pistol itself measures approximately 25 centimeters in length and weighs a little over a kilogram. It is designed for snag-free ergonomic performance and features an intuitive channel sight system. As highlighted in the product description, the magazine holds 4 balls, and the kit includes 10 rubber balls and 10 pepper balls. To fire the pistol, you'll need an 8-gram CO2 cartridge. Luckily, the pistol comes with 3 cartridges to get you started. Number 6. Stinger Dart Launcher. Stinger Dart Launcher mini launchers are quick to warn us that it's not a toy, and they have good reason to do so. priced at $28, this product can shoot with remarkable accuracy at a distance of up to 6 meters, with a total range of over 9 meters. The darts used are crafted from solid 440 degrees Celsius steel, the same material used in knives designed for kitchen and outdoor use. The set comes with 6 darts and weighs just over 100 grams. Number 7. Pistol handgun pocket knife. The company also offers a pistol knife that lacks a shooting feature, but it is priced affordably at $20. When purchasing this item, customers will receive a serrated blade made of 440 steel, which includes a saw-like section. This serrated edge is especially useful for quickly cutting ropes. The knife has an overall length of around 20 centimeters, with the blade measuring 8 centimeters. For easy carrying, a nylon sheath is included, allowing users to conveniently attach it to their belt. Some users have asked a reviewer whether they should hold it more like a knife or a gun. Regardless, the sight of this remarkable product alone is enough to perplex any potential wrongdoer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.